Ta-da! Want an elephant juice dispenser like this? Let's make it with Quacky! Let's see what materials we need first. Tap the light circle. A clear plastic bottle and a paper cup. White cardboard and crayons. Straw. We also need scissors, a craft knife, clip. Let's make it together. Let's start by making the elephant's head. Which design do you want to make? Wow! Color the elephant any way you like. Now cut it out. Use scissors with an adult's help. Cut a hole in the elephant's trunk. Cut a hole in the plastic bottle too. Don't forget to cut a hole in the paper cup. Now it's time to build the elephant juice dispenser. Put the plastic bottle inside the paper cup. Pick a nice straw to be the elephant's trunk. Which juice do you like? It is ready! Let's get some juice. Give the bottle cap to me and see what happens. Wow, the juice is coming out! Now put the bottle cap back on. Oh, the juice stopped. I want more juice. This is so much fun! Let's find out why this happens. When you open the cap, the air goes into the bottle and pushes the juice out. It's just like when an elephant sucks up water and then uses air from its lungs to push the water out through its trunk. When you close the cap, no air can get in. It's like the elephant is holding its breath, so the trunk stops spraying. The elephant juice dispenser is amazing! Go make one with your mom and dad. Quack, 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 quack.